Today at Keystone Fence, we'll be going over the Milwaukee cordless fence stapler. We'll be showing you how the tool works, some of the functionality, and just giving you a basic overview of the tool so that you could have a better understanding of if this tool might be a good fit for you. We have the Milwaukee kit here. You can purchase the Milwaukee cordless fence stapler as a bare tool, and that's a tool with no batteries, or you can purchase the kit. The kit includes a carrying bag, tool, and charger, along with 2 batteries. The Milwaukee stapler is 100% battery powered, eliminating the need for fuel cells and the hassle of expired gas. Milwaukee provides 2 3-amp-hour batteries in their kit, which are capable of firing 600 staples each. A trigger safety safely locks out the tool from firing. If the tool does not fire, make sure the safety is not engaged. Indicator lights determine if the tool is overheated or if the battery is low. You also have battery indicators on the back of the battery to tell you how much life you have left. Power on the tool by pressing and holding down the center button. The LED lights will illuminate green when powered on. To disable the tool and power off, press and hold. The tool is easily loaded by inserting staples into the magazine. To release the magazine, press this lever. This tool features tool-free depth of drive adjustment. Easily determine your staple driving length by rotating the staple adjustment knob. You can see that the red indicator moves when turning the adjustment guide, showing you the desired depth that you will drive your staple to. This tool also features tool-free jam clearance. In order to clear a jam, remove the battery and remove any staples from the device. Flip this lever up and then the top of the gun opens, and you can remove any jams or malfunctions with a needle nose pliers. Once the jam or malfunction is cleared, close the top of the driving mechanism and latch back into position. You're now ready to resume stapling. Okay, enough talking. Let's go fire this thing. We'll get it loaded up. Powered on. We're now ready to drive some staples. The notch in front of the staple guide provides easy placement on your high tensile wire. The Milwaukee fence stapler offers quick, hard-hitting stapling at an affordable price. Milwaukee has hit it out of the park with this well-built cordless fence stapler, and we think it's going to be a hit among ag fence professionals, orchards, vineyards, and do-it-yourselfers alike. This stapler is capable of firing 1.5" staples, 1.75" staples, and 2" staples. Milwaukee staples are 9-gauged, barbed, zinc aluminum coated with adhesive glue for additional holding strength in the wood. Give us a call at 717-949-8170 to learn more, schedule a demo, or purchase today.